Hey chomies, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited for this video because it's gonna be a really fun and exciting video. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, and welcome to the Choms family. If you're a returning subby, thank you so much for coming back, Chomi. I love you. See this video, I'm doing a, I don't know if I should put them together, but I'm doing a prep video for a retreat, a camp, and plus I'm gonna do obviously a camp video. So yeah, today I maybe or maybe not have an appointment of my nails. I don't know. I'm waiting for my the person who's actually it's my brother. I'm waiting for my brother to confirm for me, and then I'm gonna get my hair done maybe this weekend. I don't know, but today is on Tuesday, so right now I'm just going to school. I just wanted to open up this video here and update you guys. If I get my nails done, I'll show you. If I don't, we'll wait till when I'll get my nails done. So yeah, bye guys.
Gotta stay focused. Gotta calm down. Gotta relax. Gotta control it. Be in my zone. Be in your zone. Gotta find a.
Hi chomies, welcome back to another clip of this video tunahitaji prepping for my camp. Another clip of prepping for my camp. So as you can see, I got my nails done on today's on Friday, on Wednesday. This is how they look so good. Yes, and I feel so excited. So today I'm going to get my hair done, and also I did my lashes, as you can see. Oh, I'm sorry guys, naonaingia sana but anyway, so we are still prepping for our camp, because I've not done a lot of things, and nitashtukia tu you blink ishafika, because I'm not yet packed. I don't even know the clothes I'm going to pick out. Like, it's just a lot, plus I have also school and everything going on. So yeah, but for today we put first that on a pause a bit, because all that will happen on the weekend, because this is on Friday, tomorrow is on Saturday. I need to go for a bit of shopping, and then this is what I'll tell you when that happens, juicy, because I'm also doing my laundry tomorrow. And one thing about me, I'm lazy when it comes to chores. Like, naweza fanya kutoka asubuhi hadi jioni. So right now I just want to show you my everyday daily my everyday makeup routine while going to school. Nitaonyesha yenye tunafanyanga kila siku when I'm like, just it's simple, then unafai kuita makeup, because so acha nionyeshe kila kitu, then I'm not going to be using certain things. So right here we've got everything. This is everything that I'll be using. So today we're not going to be using mascara, because I've got false lashes on. These are cluster lashes, and that has sipangi kukaa nazo sana juu kuna venye nasikia macho na sipendi. So this is the mascara I use. Got it from Panda Mart. It's a really nice lash glue. It's a really nice mascara. It makes your lashes voluminous and a bit long, like zinaka wow. Kama maybe I'll insert a clip or maybe not, but nafanya ngani inaitwa Miss Betty the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. So, but I'm not going to be using it today because I've got my lashes on, my first class lashes. Then I use this Naitwa Kajal. It's an eyeliner. Na inataka kuisha. Mine is already pretty dark, but anywho, 20 liner. Excuse my hair, we're getting it done. Guys, you know what my dreadlock technician, acha nimwite, nimeshangaa nitamwitaje.
he told me that sifai kukaa with my dreadlocks and retouch this much because zina lose hiyo mpango, like it's the Kiswahili the growth, maana growth sasa zinamea venye azijipangi vizuri, so sifai kukaa iko for long. But hiyo hairstyle niliwekwa, which I chose for myself, ilitokana haraka na kuna mistake basi had kutoanisha, na since nitoanishe sijawahi shika nywele yangu, so hiyo imekuwa, but I understand tu wataelewa. I mean, just but that's a new nini. He's my new dreadlock technician, the one that used to do my dreadlocks before him. Alikuwa anaitengeneza kama leo, by the time wiki inaisha unaweza sema nitengeneza like 2 weeks ago, it goes here, so I had to another one. I'm gonna ask him for his Instagram or number, because yo ni mnoma. Wait, hata nisimsifu, I'll let you nitawacha muone kazi yake ni wenyewe. So I'm gonna take you, I'm gonna go with you guys, as I went yesterday with you to get my lashes and those school vlogs, and then I use, this is an eyebrow gel, it was Sparkling Girls Lash and Pro haya gel mascara. Unaweza kadi kwa lashes na wow, I didn't know this one was gifted by a friend from school. And zinafanya like brows zako zikai mashallah, but hii hata sio, kuna sasa nyingine, kuna nyingine ya wax like it's an eyebrow gel, inaitwa eyebrow gel but it's like wax. We hiyo venye inafanya mtu kai eyebrows zake vida la vida nimeiva la vitu nimeshiba. And then this to lip gloss, I don't know if I should do a lip combo, because lip combo inatokanga tu hata before nifike kwenye nimeenda sana, kuna nifanye, let me decide. So nimeona kuna kufanya juu itatoka tu, excuse me. Imeisha. I also got this from Panamat. It was we went with my mom, she got it, then she gave it to me because I can't. Yeah, and then lip gloss. I was boughted. My sister got it from me. She got it for me. Sorry. Nafikiri kama nataka kuisha. Kitambo sikuangana nini, naweka gloss hadi inaisha. Siku hizi inaishanga yote. But inataka kuisha because every time I get my gloss out, people are like, nieke. Girls mwachi your tabia, get your own glosses. Mbona na blue hivyo? Into your lashes. Very nice blue. Again, I can't wait to get my hair done and everything nakaa. Not just nafunikwa sasa watu wa notice mtu wani unataka. Clocky. Face tag never decline. Let me show you how I get my hair ready. But I'm gonna see it ready, you know what I mean. Because I'm supposed to be doing salon facial right now and manicure and pedicure. But like, majority I just cut Georgia and so. Hey, I don't know, I've never known men are so into facial like that. This guy, anashinda insist. Hey, from sijui tangu wiki yangu nifanyia facial just because nilikuwa na classes zingine that they are not nini na facial, na nilikuwa nashinda nikitoka mapema because I had to be at church in the evening. So, hey, amenisumbua. Acha niende nifanyie facial tumalizane. Every time. Facial yangu iko wapi? Inakaa kofia, inakaa tunaweza kutofanya. But si kitu tunaweza kutofanya. So this guy will take 10 minutes, okay? Thank you guys for staying with me and seeing how I do my daily makeup. Even though tunakanga natural babes, apart from the lashes and yeah, but everything else is natural. Okay. Bye guys, I'll see you in the afternoon when I go get my hair done. That is after class. So mommy wants me to take you to class with me. We'll think about it anyway. Bye guys.
This school has been fine. It has been productive until so mnakumbuka nikiwaambia asubuhi nafaa kufanyia a certain male facial, sijapata time. So my mom told me nitoke mapema juu kesho mimi najijoin, then tomorrow I have to go and for shopping at Panama so wonder. So nimemhepa. If you could have seen me, I was looking like a sniper. I've dodged him right, left, center. Juu akia nani bag, yani unanipata nafanya kitu unashinda kuniambia my facial ikivita mask. And then nakumbuka nilimaliza hiyo target kitambo. I'm not even interested. Though like nafai ku practice, maybe kama atakuwa amenikasirikia on Monday nitamtengeneza. But kama amekasirika, shauri ni yake. Which nimeona amekatika juu amekuja kuniita tuende juu nilikuwa nikamwambia let me confirm something. Confirmation. Okay, bye guys. Hi chummies, welcome back to another clip. Right now I'm heading to church. This is the outfit check. Cheese. Hi guys, so right now, as you can see, I'm chilling. I have my laundry here that I need to fold, but I'm chill too, and I'm drinking water. My lip has a problem. I have a pimple here. Ile thing inakaa, and I'm watching vlogs cause movies mekata kuoneka. Nitaonyesha kesho mama nikienda place kuna relate. We got out of church 10 came and just chilled. So yeah. Nani atanikunjia hizi nguo? Okay, bye guys. Hi chummies, welcome back to another clip of this video. So as you can see, yeah, I got my hair done. Okay, and I know you're expecting me to do a haul of the things that I got from. I told you I was going to Pandamat, but I didn't go. I chose to come and shop in Dubois because it's I just felt like Pandamat was a lot, going and coming back, and maybe hata sitapata kila kitu nilikuwa nataka. So yeah, I'm going to go to Dubois either today or tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see, but right now I'm going to class and I look like a fine babe. So yeah guys, I'll see you later on if I decide where I'm going. Okay, bye guys. Mwah. Hi chummies, welcome again to another clip or side of this video. So I've gone to Dubois. I've gone to Dubois and I'm not going with you guys because nafaa kuangalia hapa map. Okay, ndaangalia kwenye nimeweza. So I've gone to Dubois, but I've not taken you with me guys because nilikuwa nimechanganikiwa to the point that I've gotten something that sikuwa natahitaji at the moment. So I've got only 2 things because yeah, that's how confused I was. But tutarudi probably on Wednesday, but sitarudi Dubois tena. I guess I'll go to RNG. Ndio tunataka sijaipata Dubois, nimeulizia nikakosa. So this is what I've gotten. Nimepata bahasha. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Psych. I've gotten chatfungua na nafungua na nyinyi hata sitafungua. Mascara ya Kiss Beauty. Kiss Beauty inakuanga ya nani? Hata mimi sijui. Mega Impact. I hope guy Jumi nimeachukua tu hata sijaangalia. Oh, longest and thickest lashes inafanya. I wanted yenye kufanya mascara iko voluminous, but kama kwa nimegongwa bei ni kwa hii kitu. Sijui niwaambie nimeuziwa how much ama tu niachane na nyinyi. Anyway, I've gotten this one. It's from Kiss Beauty. Sijui inakuanga kina nani ama ni ya nani. Inakaa hivi, inakaa poa, wewe light focus. A focus on your body, focus. Okay. So yeah, and then I was to buy kajal eyeliner. No, pencil ya huku chini. But for some reason, mimi nimesema eyeliner. So this is what I've gotten. Eyeliner also from Kiss Beauty. Hi, and what your shop ataniambia kama Kiss Beauty ni ya haka. Na venye nikadogo na iko na hizo inti yote ni ya nini? Watu wanapenda kutupima ngoma bro. Ezote ataka kakishuka atakuwa karefu. What the hell is all this? Alafu continue na So hivi ndo inakaa. Hata hujafungua. Hey, inakupea fine line. Acha nionyeshe, acha nifungie isikauke juu. It's giving you fine line. So yeah, hizi ndio vitu mbili I've gotten. So acha niwaambie ni nini wengine nahitaji cause nahitaji I need so we are going for camp. We have a night where we have to dress as hunters. I have this outfit but it's not complete until I get a toy gun. I know, najua mnashangaa what's wrong with this girl. Nothing is wrong with me, nothing is wrong. So yeah, I have to get a toy gun so that I complete outfit yangu ndo nikae hunter. Juu nikienda hivyo play nitaka tu, I'm just trying to dress in all black and I want to look like a CIA, FBI type shit. See how again hunter, they hunt bad people, right? So yeah. But picha tulitumiwa nitawekea hapa. Mimi sioni nikiwa na hiyo outfit. Yes, I do have it but I want to give. You know, so yeah. I'll show you all the activities that you'll be having during the camp. But yeah, isn't it from His Beauty? His Beauty sponsor me kwa advertise sana. Or maybe that guys advertising you should sponsor them. His Beauty mtangalia ni nani. Okay, bye guys. See you. Hi guys. Welcome back. So right now I want to head home because I have a class in the evening of basic diploma in theology by extension. Yes, it's like a church course. So I've always wanted to do theology. Like a part of me has always wanted to do theology. So that's what I'm practicing right now. It's always on every Monday, and that's what I was studying for. Then when I was going home, mapema ndo nisome, because we always have a test before we begin the second lecture. So then as the next lecture. So yeah, that's where I'm heading right now. And I think number 6 that is saying like around maybe 5 o'clock. So yeah, let's go now and tell you jam. So yeah, bye guys, I'll see you when I get there. Maybe to updates, maybe not. If I don't see you tomorrow, love you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another clip of this video. So yeah, as you can see today I'm using a mic. I'm so happy and excited because this mic, if you used to watch my videos, the videos that we used to do together with my sister from our channel, you'd see that we got them last year but we haven't been using them. So I decided today, why not give it a try. And oh my god, they're still working. So yeah, I'm about to head to school. I'm waiting for my ages to lay. I'm about to head to school, and you know what, today I might take you with me because your girl has got a mic, no sound distraction from other places. So yeah, let's go. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you the outfit of today. Look it. Okay guys, see you guys in class. Oh, yesterday I went to my class and it was like really nice lecture. We had 2 lectures, then I got home at around 9 maybe, let's say. So yeah, so today probably I'll go get, leo nikuwa ninunue nini hata sikumbuki ba tutajua. So let's go. So guys, I just realized I can't fit my microphone in my bag juu ndo inatishana. This is my bag and I have to carry this luggage and also this so sioni nikibeba kwa sababu hayazitoshei. But yeah, tutaenda. Hi guys, welcome back to another clip of this video. I've come here with really sad news, but it's not that sad. I'm just dramatizing about it. But like before I get to school, I wanted to update you guys. So as you saw yesterday, I took you to school with me. Although school vlog every part of what I was doing, at least I vlogged na mkaona. So today is another day. I want to head to school. But before I head out, okay, I'm getting ready. But before I head out, I wanted to tell you that I didn't go. So niliwaambia, sijui kama niliwaambia I was supposed to go and get light for this ati light battery for this light, lakini sikuweza kuenda kwa sababu I got out of school late and then I had to help my mom a little bit kwa job yake. Nini ingine? So yeah, today is like the last, let's say the last day because I need to get to parking. Sorry, na bado sijafika kwa kupark, which is the whole point of this video because kuna vitu bado sijanunua like like deodorant ndio niko home ningebeba basi iko karibu kuisha na nini. Yeah, in the gun that I was telling you about to match my hunter's outfit. So nilikuwa niwaambia they have this camp go to. I'm just praying nothing else happened because they've extended the day. We were supposed to go tomorrow evening at like 7:30 p.m. But like they've said that it's unsafe. Like I'm just not seeing how many people travel during the night and nothing happens to them. Like kama mna believe mtatakiwa, imagine mtatakiwa, but if you pray before the journey and you believe that you'll be safe, tutafika tu but anyhow ni sawa. Hiyo pesa ni mingi kufanya hivyo, so we have to travel on Friday at by 4 in the morning ukwe meeting point 4 asubuhi. And guys, it's a young people trip. These are Gen Zs. You think they'll be there for us? Hey, my lord. Me at inamaanisha unaamka saa 9 and guys I haven't packed. Plus nilikuwa nipack kesho juu najua tunaenda kesho jioni, so sikuwa niende shule. But I have to now pack tomorrow in the evening once I get but anyway guys, I hate complaining a lot, but wamenikasirisha because when you pay for something kama if it's a staycation, like if it's a vacation or wherever you're going, bora unalala nje, bora unalala kwa hotel. When you pay for the nights, not the days. You pay for the nights. So we're supposed to sleep there for 3 nights, right? Tulale Thursday usiku, tulale Friday usiku, na tulale Saturday usiku. Now we'll be sleeping for 2 nights. So hiyo night moja wamekula hiyo fare free. And then tufike we start activities like umeamka saa 9. You travel, umechoka. You want us to do a stretching activity. Who is stretching with who? I just give me my bed to lay down. But anyway, I had to complain tena. I wanted to get it out. But please God give me control. We are not complaining again, right? Acha nikate video juu nitacomplain hadi ishe. Yeah guys, stop it. Kama nitaenda kununua whatever I'm going to buy, I'll take you with me. Lazima kuchukua na lighting poa, yeah. So yeah. Bye guys. See you on the other end of this video. Bye. Rada, Turia, inataka katika. Hi guys, welcome back again. So yeah, I got out of school and then I went to get some things and then I came back, yeah, and then went back again to get other things with my mom. And yeah, I got lashes. This is going to like plaster lashes, so yeah. But I didn't do this myself. I did it to someone else. No, yeah, someone else did me and then I did that to someone else. So I want to show you what I got personally for myself. Because that's their own. Yeah. Yeah. I take myself. You're trying to this one of the green one. Nilinunua hii ni ile ndogo. And then yeah, I use the men female inanukanga so much. Yeah, and then Zoro. You remember me telling you I wanted a gun? Najua wengine mimi kama ni joke. Baba, kana shoot. Unaona tuma you guys. Pa. Man gun. Wow, lakini ni ya plastic and it was not expensive. Though yenye nilikuwa nataka I wanted a pure black one. Alafu ni kuna nyingine niliona inatoa those guns and shooting iko na bullets to gold. But it was expensive, 1050. And ilikuwa tu 100. Can you compare? But guys, my inner child is still so happy because hata kama ni adjust too much that outfit, I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. Check it out. Because my outfit is all black, so hata nashanga. And then my mom decided to get me a shower cup. Hata sikuwa nimefikiria lini lighting. Sikuwa nimefikiria ati nitahitaji shower cup. Yeah, I mean, yeah. And then she's got this. Nini light? She's got this. I mean, hizi sponge, makeup sponge. Tulikuwa tumeenda Dubai, and then ameninunulia, she's surprised me, she gifted me a headband. Kitu headband kwenye mademu na wapi. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I guess that's it. And then nakumbuka nikiwaambia, tunanunua vitu zile, like still haven't watched, but leo ishi kama sitanunua. Nini ningine kwa nimesema nataka. I guess I got myself everything that I needed. So now it's apart from hakuna. Yeah, that's it guys. Yeah, let's go home. We go home, we cook dinner, and then today we have a youth fellowship. So we go to that fellowship. Should I bring you with me guys? Let's hang out on the kila mahali. Okay, I'll take you, but seriously vlog in front of people. Hey. You do like this, you do like this, you do like this, you do like this, you do like this. Hizi lashes zinakaa poa pia. Checky. Hair, check. Nails, check. Lashes, check. Face, pretty as fat. Where? So that's it guys. In all, kwa kila kitu yote yenye nimenunua leo, my favorite, yenye ime outstand everything. Kumbabash. Zimo yokwala. So yeah, these are the things that you've gotten. Bye guys, love you.
Nebora. Even like a bit of me. Let me see. Try over. Ikan later kwanza. Ya pili. Oble. Hi guys, welcome back to another clip of this video. Probably one of the last clips in the video imekuwa refu. So yeah, right now today is on Thursday and it's the day that I'm packing. Nimekuwa nikipack na nyinyi for the whole weekend. I haven't been packing, but now today I'm packing. Ni 5. Sikuenda hata shule ndo ni pack, but hata kupack. Yani it's been a lazy day, so yeah, this is my suitcase. I already started putting my shoes in and I'm watching Zerolin Zone Row. Yeah. So yeah. Pack with me. It's gonna be a long ass pack joke. Nimeshachanganikiwa. And we're leaving tomorrow early in the morning. I'm supposed to be cooking dinner, but guys, sawa, acha ni pack. Let's pack, take it tumalize so that we can start cooking. So yeah. Na lashes zangu zinatoka. I've forgot the clothes. The reason I'm not packing in the bedroom is because she's also packing. So yeah, you're not missing a lot of my face because there's no in a bag. You have to show it. The reason I'm packing every day, I'm gonna wear them. So yeah. Chakana baridi. Usani ofisi.
Cause I need to keep on
cooking. Let's close this guys. That's how it looks like.
Yeah, this is where I'm gonna buy my next birthday dress. I was actually gonna buy it for my 27th birthday, but then you all know how it went. So I think I'm gonna buy it for my next birthday. Oh, I thought I'm going to my next birthday. I'm gonna just try to get it out. I've been wanting a dress for a long time. Really expensive.
Girl, this shit is heavy.
So I'm going to decide. Because we're looking for Mr.
It's so heavy, guys. I'll see you tomorrow in the morning.
How do you have food?
I think I'm done packing. Hopefully, it's just a have key too.
6:30 and
Yeah, I think I'm done packing. Maybe mkiniona sitakuwa na lashes zinatoka. I might as well zivaa zote. But yeah, I'll see you in the morning when we're leaving. Then I'll end the video tomorrow morning. Hii video preparation imekuwa refu. Okay, imekuwa a lot.
so I can film the video
So that we can edit and post.
and one more month video
Bye, guys.
and take pictures.